And our next age-erasing trend is an anti-aging serum. It promises to regenerate skin cells and get rid of wrinkles. Drew?
New product, and why not try this too? Right, it comes to us from SkinMedica, but the ringer is what is it based on? Well, actually, it's based on the nutrients that they isolated and found in foreskins.
What?
Okay.
Foreskins?
Foreskins. So what they did, they took foreskins after somebody who was just circumcised, obviously. Young tissue. This is right. And they isolated, I assume, something similar to stem cells,
Right.
proteins, other things that are great for the skin to stimulate new skin growth.
There are actually ingredients that get thrown away. We've talked about this with cord blood before.
Yeah, so it's a stem cell theory that's, you know, that's running
Maybe the
right
foreskin shouldn't just go in the trash. And here to help us learn more about this process is board-certified dermatologist Dr. Hema Sunaram, and her patients swear by this product.
Well, they do, Travis. All joking aside, this is serious science. What happened is 18 years ago, scientists realized they could take a few cells from this source, the young, healthy, living skin cells, and they could grow them. And by growing them, they could get them to produce this amazing mixture called TNS, which has over 100 growth factors in it.
Determining what's in youthful tissue that's making it youthful.
They're young and healthy skin cells, and it was a world-renowned dermatologist, Dr. Richard Fitzpatrick, who took the science one step further and realized that we could take the soup, and I think of it as chicken soup for the skin, because it heals aging.
And we actually have some before and afters of patients who've used this product, if you all want to take a quick look.
Wow.
Oh, that's remarkable.
That's pretty impressive.
That's some results.
Again, I tell my patients,
The only thing really that's shocking about this product is how well it works.
Why don't you apply some, and then you can talk about what it's purported to do.
Absolutely. Christina, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this TNS onto your skin, and you can tell me how it feels. It also has a very distinctive aroma, and that's a good thing, because that is a sign of all those proteins that are going to work in your skin. It's the proteins that give it the aroma.
a good aroma?
It's a very distinctive aroma, Dr. Lisa.
It feels great. It's a little cool, but I'm excited to see if it works.
It will give you a little bit of a glow when you apply it, but what's even more important is what it's going to be doing once it's put on your skin. It's going to be stimulating collagen and reversing aging.
And we know this is actually only available in doctor's offices. How much is a bottle like that?
Well, that's a good question. A bottle like this costs $250. What you're paying for is what's in the bottle. There's no foreskin, no tissue in this, only growth factors and good stuff.
You know, the science is interesting because we're joking about foreskin, but there's absolutely no foreskin in this product. This is derived from foreskin, and this is actually a neat product you can get in doctor's offices, but actually everyone in the audience is getting their own line of Dr. Sunaram has generously agreed